Hey traders, hope you guys are all doing well. It's been a while since I made a video, but I'd just like to show you guys this trade that I'm in at the moment. I'm currently running at a 1 to 2.8 roughly. This is the strategy that I've been showing you over the last couple of vids. Beautiful buy signal there from the bottom, using the indicator band that I use, and then using the second indicator, which is the moving average that changes color. That's for the second confirmation. So if we just go over to MetaTrader, you can see over here currently up about 860, nearly $900. Now here it's sitting $900. So I was risking $318 and I'm currently up $900. Beautiful trade, $920. If we look at the 15 minute, beautiful risk to reward trade. So I'm targeting that area over there, which is going to be, let me just go look here. So if it reaches that area that I'm targeting, it's going to be about a 1 to 5. It's going to be about a 1 to 4.5 or 1 to 5 if I stretch it a bit more. Probably not going to go all the way up there. Let me just zoom to the 15 minute. That'll be a 1 to 1.5. I'm probably going to go for that 1 to 4.5 target right over there. So I'm targeting about 4,090 on gold. If we go to MetaTrader, yeah, you'll see that's my target there, 4,090. But it's such a beautiful strategy. It's so simple. If you guys want to learn the strategy, this is how I flip small accounts to large accounts. You can see I'm flipping this account to small accounts. I'm up about, so grand on 1.5 will be basically cheapers. It's about 70% on this trade that I've made. So beautiful trade. Only risking 300. I'm looking to make about 1.4. Simple strategy. Let's see how far this trade can stretch. But this is the type of trades, if you just look yesterday in New York session, Friday, beautiful trade over here. About a 1 to 5 over there. Beautiful buy again. Previous day, that was Thursday, there were 2 buy trades there. So this is on the 5-minute time frame. If you guys are interested in learning the strategy from me, click on the link down below or contact me on Telegram and I'll hand it over to you. And you guys can make some profits as well, and just stick to a simple system, simple indicator, rule-based system. You can make some good dosh, and as long as you have your risk management and your emotions in check. I might just take a bit of this trade off. So I'm going to close out. I'll actually close out. Hang on, what am I doing? So I'll close out $670. Maybe I'll take a bit more. Let me just wait till it reaches about 700, then I'll close it. Just going to close that off. Now I'll leave the rest to run, and what I'll do is I'll move my stop here to break even, just above break even, to cover a little bit of that spread. Now the trade is risk free, and we'll just see now if it can reach my target. And to see if it can reach my target. Obviously this is risk free now. So this is a completely risk free trade. see what it does. Okay guys, contact me if you're interested in learning the strategy, and I'll gladly be on your side. A lot of people are having success with it, because what you need is simplicity, and then that's a bit of risk management and a bit of control of your emotions. And then, it's about an 80 to 90% system. So it's a very strong system to have in your arsenal of trading strategies.
A few moments later.
So TP has been hit. Big trade here, guys. TP has been smashed. So yeah, brilliant trade over here. Happy with the result. So I'll catch you in the next one, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, learned a little bit. If you're interested in the strategy, hit me up on Telegram. We can have a chat. Take care, guys. Bye.